Introducing the Travel Likes Me compression backpack, made with 100% recycled nylon 900D with face wax coating and black PU coating. It is GRS certified and PFC free. Our travel backpack features a built-in vacuum system that maximizes packing space by reducing the volume of your clothes and other items. No more worries about overpacking or squeezing in that extra jacket. The bag is divided into 5 main sections: the built-in vacuum system for clothes, a shoe pocket, a toiletry lining pocket, a top quick access pocket, and an electronic section for laptops, iPads, and more. The shoe packet and toiletry lining packet are covered with EVA waterproof fabric. Additionally, the bag includes safety pockets for wallets or passports and an adjustable slip-on with zipper pockets for water bottles. The bag features a strong luggage sleeve for horizontal carrying, ensuring it stays intact. It has high-quality ergonomic padded straps with a pressure relief carrying system made of EVA and breathable air mesh on the back. The electronic system is secured with a TSA locking system to prevent theft. The expandable zip allows the bag to expand up to 6 cm, and SBS zippers are used for the best quality. 4 compression straps on the sides help compress the bag when needed, and a front hook allows you to hang light items. This backpack is ideal for cable luggage or for a small trip of 3 to 5 days. We consider this as a part of our all-round travel utility. Experience the ultimate in travel convenience with the Travel Likes Me compression backpack 44 liters.